It's been almost a month now. You've been shooting lots and lots of videos. You're getting all the tips, you're getting all the how-tos, but today I'm going to show you how to tie it all in so you can make sure that you are making successful, winning videos. So you ready for this? Let's dive right in. Aloha. If you're new to the channel, I am Doc Rock. I teach you how to do everything YouTube, get your YouTube growth on, and become really, really efficient at live video. Today, we're talking about making your videos that much better. We're talking that little salt bae, that hot sauce, that secret little je ne sais quoi. Today, we're going to show you how to level up your videos. Level up. Anyway, we're going to show you how to level up your videos. So let's dive right in. I don't want to waste your time. I want to bring you maximum impact, maximum value. Let's start with the first tip. The first tip, whenever you're ready to make a video, is start with why. Ask yourself, what is the point? What's the point? As soon as you got that figured out, run it through your head a couple of times, write it down a couple of times, read it out loud, but you must know what's the point. It makes it so much easier to edit when you know the message you are trying to deliver. Simon Sinek has a dope book called Starts With Why. I honestly suggest you read that, but remind yourself, what's the point? No one's going to watch a video if you don't even know. Our next tip is we are going to write that outline or write that script. Before, I used to make outline on 3x5 cards, lean it up against my camera, and run from there, but I now found a really incredible tool from my homie Stephanie Lou over at Lights Camera Live, and it's called Video Script Maker. With Video Script Maker, I could go in, fill out this spreadsheet real quick. It's very simple, it's very easy, but you will just make better videos. Period, point blank. I can make an entire video about that and we'll get into it later, but I want to keep this moving. So check the link in the description. Check out Video Script Maker. It has been an absolute game changer. And that's for you, Keith Pelser. Next, it's very important to plan your shots. Nothing sucks more than to have to cut down 3-4 hours worth of shooting for a 2.5-minute video because you shot willy-nilly and didn't plan your shots. I used to do that. I always had way too much footage. You don't want to have too little footage. You don't want to have too much footage. You want to have the right amount of footage. So plan your shots. Before you go, plan your shots. Get some cards out. Download my templates from my links down in the description, but just sketch it out. I need this shot, this shot, this shot, this shot, this shot, this shot, that shot. Come back and edit. It will save you so much time in editing and a lot of hard drive space, a lot of headache, and a lot of stress. So plan your shots. Now it's time for the hot sauce. The hot sauce, that extra flavor, that salt bae. B-roll. Always be B-rolling. Always be B-rolling. Always B-roll. Whatever you want to say, make sure you gather enough B-roll. B-roll just adds that extra pop, that pizzazz, that boom energy. You must add yourself a lot of B-roll. It's better if you can get your own. If you forget or you don't have B-roll, check out sites like Pexels, Envato Elements, Storyblocks. There's many. You can get B-roll from other places. I like to shoot a lot myself when I can. When I can, I use the service, but be B-rolling. Always be B-rolling. So when you're out and about, you're cruising with the family and you see something elegant, you see nice angles, you see nice lightings, nice shadows, something interesting, pop out your phone this way, pop out your phone, shoot about 10 to 20 seconds of B-roll. That's the sweet number for me. I like to shoot 10 to 20 seconds of B-roll. I like to shoot at 4K 24p with a flat profile so I can get more color grading, more dynamic range. I shoot on the 12 Pro Max, so I got that good Dolby vision, but it's very important to get lots of B-roll. You can almost never have too much B-roll. So when you see something that catches your eye, just shoot it. 20 seconds of it, who knows what you're going to need it for? Just shoot it. Always be B-rolling. There's way more tips to go to this, but I don't want to make this video too long. I wanted to give you maximum value and maximum impact. So here's what we're going to do. Make sure you slap the subscribe button and ring the bell, and very soon I will bring you another video and we're going to discuss audio, because that audio is a game changer. We're talking how to capture the best audio and how to add that little so your audio sounds that much better. You see what I did there? Make sure you slap the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss it. For now, watch the video that's coming up on screen next.